Hi friends, welcome back again. Today I am here with a simple kitchen tour with more tips and tricks to organize a small kitchen. Click the above icon to view my detailed kitchen tour. If you are facing a problem with a less space in kitchen, then watch this video till end and so has to get a more spacious kitchen. So let's begin. Before moving to my videos, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't and press the bell icon to get instant notification. So let's get started. First, let me show you the changes that I made in my kitchen. Now I keep my vegetable rack under the table and the water dispenser is beside the refrigerator. And also I keep my dustbin over there. Many of you had suggested me to keep my dustbin and vegetable rack far, so I made this change. I have also kept my OTG over here. Before I used to keep both the oven and OTG together. Then here comes my grinder and also my food processor placed over this side. Now on a hanging rack I have hung my spoon holder and knife holder. Here comes my dish rack. Here is a kettle, bread toaster and my microwave oven. And on top, fruit basket. And in this cabinet I have made some changes. Before I used to keep all the non-stick pans in this cabinet. Now I have arranged plates, trays, cake decorating stand and rice cooker. Now down all the extra store-bought groceries. Before I keep them in a basket, now I store in this way, so I feel more space over here. Now many of you have asked me about the lasagna sheet which I use in my lasagna recipe. I use this lasagna sheet which I brought from Lulu. Click the above icon for the recipe. On this door, I have noted down all these groceries so that I do not overbuy them. And the second change, in my previous video you must have noticed that I used to write my label, but now I have printed them out, which makes my cabinet look more neat and clean. Now let me share some tricks if you face problem with less space in the kitchen. Try to use these kind of clamp. This is easily available in all the hardware shops and also in the supermarkets. In one clamp you can hang all the pans of all sizes. Now the second trick is you can hang this kind of hanging rack on window walls. And arrange all the knives, spatulas, big spoon, small spoon in one place. This will look very neat and attractive and you can grab everything from one place. Now this is a rack which comes in the oven. You can also use a rod instead of this. Now use this kind of clamp. This is also available in all the hardware shops and also in the supermarkets. Now arrange all the spatulas in one clamp. Similarly, you can also hang all the frying pans in one clamp. It takes only less space. You can also even hang the mugs, cups all in one clamp. Now in the countertop, Before deciding what and where to keep items, leave some counter space for work. At least try to leave 1 feet gap to work. Use this kind of 2-tier rack and keep all the daily using commodities in this rack. Now for the extra groceries, try to use this kind of basket. It is very easy to keep on the top of the cabinet. Don't forget to label the items what are inside this basket. It takes only less space. Now this is a plastic holder. Do check the above iCard for the tutorial. Now if you don't have the cabinets, you can store all the groceries in this kind of big baskets. You can easily store this under the table or in the corner. Don't forget to label the items too. You can also arrange on the top of the fridge too. So these are some of the tricks to organize a small kitchen. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll share more tricks very soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.